That looks so cool.
Look, one jumped.
Oh, there's mommy.
So today we're at a museum and, well, type of museum and aquarium, and we're gonna be showing you guys around while we're here. The goats, we're gonna go see them. I think they're goats. Yeah, let's see them. Good.
Sprite Fry of Sugar. She was one of 2 Nigerian dwarf goats actually born at the zoo, and that's because her mother came to us already pregnant.
¿Está embarazada?
No, su mamá estaba embarazada y ella nació aquí porque su mamá la trajeron acá. Hey guys, so right now we are going to the aquarium. I know, it's just like so pretty, so we're gonna enter. We're really excited. This is actually our first time coming and we're really excited, so yeah! Pacific Aquarium. Is that how I'm saying it? I don't know. The stingray.
You can also touch the horseshoe crab if you like to.
Touch zone is a big aquarium as well, where you can touch like sea stars, anemones.
That's what we did yesterday.
Sea cucumbers.
Just told us that we can touch sharks. Whoa! I'm gonna enter now a cave. Let's see. I think there's more sharks and stuff. The shark.
They were just totally enamored with
This is a shark tank, I think, with a bunch of.
Oh, there's mommy.
That is huge.
Mira. Esta.
Wow. Guys, there's someone in that tank right there. Look at those humans.
Over there.
Yo grabé, ¿te lo mando?
Míralo, ahí viene el tiburón. Mira, este. Mira, otro. Mira.
Pa, mira ese. Guys, it's coming close to us. ¡Uy, qué bonito! Just came out from seeing the sharks and it was so pretty. Like, I definitely recommend coming here. Oh, I think there's monkeys right here. Let's see. Whoa, look at the tiger, guys. We're here at the Asian forest, I believe. And look at that. Hey there, buddy. Now we're gonna go see the monkeys. I don't know if you can hear them in the background of the tiger because they were like making so much noise, but we're gonna go see that. Monkeys, we go. Look at guys. Se ve tan suavecito. No mames. ¿Es eso? Parece humano, acabo de salir de prisión. Where's he going? Oh, nobody's. There's another tiger right here that we just found. Look at the water.
Your phone falls and it's over.
I know, right? Look at that tiger right there.
I want to swim.
Right there. The elephant. ¿Así se limpian ellos? Hola. Oh, it's moving.
Hola.
Hello. So guys, right now we're going to go to the Pacific Aquarium. This is actually an indoor one, not like the other one. So yeah.
Stay with. Stay with.
This way. Whoa. That looks so cool. There's an hammerhead. I know. Oh my gosh. I don't know yet. Oh, we have to go to the other side. Yeah, let's move on. Whoa. We have to get down there. Think of the water in here.
Look at that tiny little one.
Pero mira sus luces.
Ajá, sí. Those are all tiny, guys. Están tan cool, esos están curiosos, ¿no?
Mira cómo se abre.
Qué bonitos están estos.
De verdad.
Starfish. Watch out.
Ahí están amontonados los fregados.
Mira, mami. Mira este.
Sí.
¡Wow! ¡Tiburón!
Tocaron, desde el que tocaste. Mira este.
¡Qué feo! So right now we're going to Sea Lions.
We're gonna go see. We're trying to find the polar bears because they said that they're here, but we can't find them. So we'll try to find them and see where they are. The sea lions. They're kind of hard to see. Look, one jumped.
¿Y dónde está?
¿Tú dices que no?
No, por eso, por ejemplo, yo se lo digo. It's called water.
Nah, en verdad tiene mucho aumento el cristal. Mira cómo se refriega.
¿Y la licencia hace? ¿Qué licencia mejor que tú? Ay, sí. ¿Son por las cejas? No, bueno, nada. Oye, pues pueden volar, incluso nos puede cagar.
Sí, por eso estaba acercando.
Okay guys, so we just got back like a few hours ago. Literally, we're all like so tired because we only like slept for like 5 or 4 hours because we went to sleep so late and woke up at 5 a.m. Do you want to say anything?
No.
Okay, so that was it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so every time we post a new video, you guys can get notified. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!